everyone to end my series 3 of this toy. Okay, now I'm making some kind of robot. Their hand is quite difficult. Look, they're holding 2 of this and over here. It looks a tiny different, but later I will tell you more. Okay, let's get started. First, we take this one and the other and stick it over here. And now take this one, put it over here. Okay, now I'm finished and just set to the other. Now I will take this one. Let me take it. Okay, this one will be the neck. I do that, and okay. I know will be 2 of this, so I will take 2 of this. Over here, you see this? Step in here, over here, taking it. Okay. This one here, this one here, but this is, you need to do that like that. See, like me. Okay, I'm finished, but we still have lots of thing over here. Now, whoa, I just finished the robot. Maybe this is the mouth or the eyes, 2 eyes here and the mouth. All of us have mouth over here, but this is the neck. So that's why the robot have a mouth up here or maybe down here, maybe. Okay. Whoa, take a look at this best robot ever. This is the best robot. I never see a robot like this. It have 2 swords. Maybe it's down like this, or maybe you can transform it. Here everyone, now I will show you. This is the arm and this is the swords. The other will like the other, and this is the leg. And 2 of leg over here, and the hair, you can move it and you can do it like this, or maybe transform it like this here, like that. Whee! See? Or maybe you can do it like this. You can twist the head, but over here it's not. You can twist the head or maybe the body. It can twist around. This one twist around is 316 and up here too. But when this one up, you can spin it. But when you add down over here, it may be quite difficult to do it. The hair will do it like this. Here, I show you. It's straight like this, right? When I straight a long time, it will go like this. Or maybe you give it backwards. If you do straight, this one will do that. If you do backwards, this one going to nothing, but this one is dust. Whoa. Look at this. If you want it to rock, I mean run or walk, if you want it walk, you just need to push this one up and it will stand. just like walking. And he's coming in the swords. Like that. Here, like this. If you want to stay like this, just stay like this. Or maybe you can add it on the desk, just like last time I said. Or maybe you want to give it walk, just stay like this and hold one hand over here and then move them, not using anything, okay? But when you do that, you want know to do this, so you just need to take some, or maybe you can use this hand and do this, right? Well, I like this robot a lot. Whoa, it has green brain and black everywhere. Whoa, look at this giant robot. 4 square over here and 1 square over here and some kind square over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square over here and 9 square. 1 square here. 2 of this stick together just like real robot. Whoa! I don't know how it works, but you can lift the eye up like this, or maybe you can hold this one up and up down like the other, or maybe you can use the eye like this. Use the hand to remove them. Whoa, this robot is very have lots of parts over here, like this one, or maybe this blocks. Okay, now this is the end of my video. Remember, click the bell and subscribe my video and watch more video. Bye!